I'm Jeanie. I'm the VP of Engineering at GoDaddy. And as Amanda mentioned, I run platforms at GoDaddy. So there are two platforms in my organization. One is the content search and merchandising, which powers the GoDaddy's front of site, all the way from homepage, the merchandising path, and all the way to shopping cart. And I also have this white label reseller partner platform, which connects the external partners with GoDaddy, and so that they can integrate with us and sell GoDaddy's products in a white label manner under their own branding. And before GoDaddy, in my previous lives, when I was at Expedia, I ran an e-commerce platform there. And then even before that, I ran a big data platform for Microsoft Exchange Online. So pretty much throughout my entire career life, I have been working on platform. Okay? And in today's world, there has been a focus shift to customer experience. Okay? For customer experience, people might think that how can platform engineering be part of it with this industry shift? So really, it's becoming clearer that platform engineering is not only enabling the business, but also has a direct impact to customer experience. So for today's topic, what I want to talk about is platform engineering for end-to-end customer journey. And then I'd like to share with you from my own experience at GoDaddy that how we do this shift. Okay. All right. So there are three areas that I like to cover. One is, what is today's customer experience like? And another is, what has changed? And what is changing in today's world? And then we'll talk about platform's mission. As a platform company, what do we do? How can we embrace the changes and move forward? Okay. All right. So first, let's talk about, today's customer experience. The companies, they thrive on the success of their customers. So for those companies who are able to provide an excellent customer experience, they succeed because they will be able to retain customers and they will able to attract and acquire new customers. So, and then with the customers coming to them, they grow their business. Okay? So now the question becomes, what exactly is customer experience? The customer experience really is the interaction between an individual with an organization. So starting from the very beginning of a customer becomes aware of a company's brand, all the way to complete the interaction with the brand, with the organization. So it really is the end-to-end journey. It's a relationship between an individual and an organization. So then what defines a good customer experience? A good customer experience means this individual's interaction with this brand during all points of contact throughout the journey, that experience meets his or her expectations, including this environment this person is in. So that is good customer experience. So in today's industry, there are many companies who are focusing on customer experience, and those are just a few of those. So for instance, we all know Disney is known for a consistent customer experience. And Sonos, they are known for simplicity. And Adobe is good at providing full solutions to their customers. And for Amazon, We all know Amazon, right? From buying a book on Amazon.com to onboarding AWS. Because Amazon's customer obsession is unparalleled. So if we look at those companies and look at the industry trend, the customer experience has evolved. It has gone from just providing useful utilities to a full customer engagement. We don't just sell products to customers and be done with it, but instead, in today's industry, we are with customers throughout their journey. So that is a big change, big shift in the industry direction. Okay. Then when it comes to customer experience, GoDaddy is no different. So as the largest cloud platform company that dedicated to small independent ventures, GoDaddy was known as a domain and web hosting company. But now we are transforming to a customer experience company. Because our mission here is that we give customers the tools, the insights, and then people to transform their ideas and personal initiatives into success. So as a company, we provide all the help that we can to help our customers' ideas start, grow, and thrive online. So that is what we do. So next, I'm going to show a short video which just came out 2 weeks ago about what we want our customers to do and how we want to help them. Okay. So this is a short video about make the world you want. And that is what GoDaddy wants to do. We want to help our customers make the world they want by providing all the help and tools that we have. Okay.
The world isn't black and white. There's no set path. No way you have to be. So why not do what you've been dreaming of? When you're stuck in someone else's story, write your own. When they want you to be quiet, say it louder. When you crave change in society, make it happen. Don't listen to self-doubt. Don't stop for people who don't understand your vision. Whether it's big or small, just go full steam ahead. You've got the power, we've got the tools. Make the world you want and share it with everyone.
So that is the experience that GoDaddy wants our customers to have. Because we want to use our tools and our services to enable our customers to make the world they want. Yeah. So we know that we want to focus on the customer experience. But this is a fast-changing world. And customers' experience changes. And customers' behaviors keep changing. And their needs keep evolving. So in order for us to provide the right services to give customers a good experience, we need to know what has changed and what is changing and what the new world looks like. So let's look at what has changed. When it comes to online, we all know that more and more people are moving online, including you and me and our customers. So the definition of online presence, the definition and the purpose of online presence has shifted from static and channeling to dynamic and interactive. The communication has moved from a one-way communication to bi-directional. Okay. Specifically, just look at a few things here. first of all, the digital platform and tools have been used more broadly. The content that people see and read every day gets updated more frequently. Communication is becoming deeper, more engaged, and more interactive. And more people are doing transactions online, selling and buying online. So that is the today's world. That has already changed. But if we look at the market, what else is changing in the market? What else is moving fast? So look at this. From people's experience and from technology, a lot have been changing. A lot are changing every day. So when it comes to online, we cannot avoid not talking about mobile and social. Okay. For instance, on the mobile front, mobile usage continues to grow, especially in the emerging market. Today, 52% of a search is happening on mobile. And that continues to grow. And social, people are spending more and more time on online social. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, WeChat, you name it. So we are surrounded by all of those. And then if you look at communication, communication is becoming pretty much all over the place, right? And there are so many different ways to do communication these days. So messaging, SMS, email, social channels is becoming a lot broader and anytime and anywhere around the world. And voice is also moving fast. Alexa, Siri, and voice search. And guess what? Voice search is very different than typing in the search box online. So, and then if we look at the technology front, the new technologies and new capabilities like machine learning, like AI, those are also booming. And people are embracing those new technologies in their day-to-day work. And there is another rise on the new infrastructure system. For instance, public cloud. 10 years ago, people were still debating how real public cloud might be. But if you look at today, public cloud is widely adopted, and it's still growing. Someday, it might even become a utility, just like water or electricity, that is accessible to everybody, right? And blockchain, who knows? Blockchain might even just be another new infrastructure that might disrupt the world, right? And this is the world that we are in today. So the world is changing. Our customers are evolving. And as platform providers, we also need to keep up with those changes and make adjustments on our side to embrace those changes so that we don't fall behind and we don't fall behind our customers. Okay. All right, so knowing that we want to focus on our customer experience and also knowing that the world is changing rapidly, then what should we do as a platform company? What's our mission? What can platform engineering teams do to embrace all those changes and to continue to serve our customers? Well, before we dive deep into it, let's take a step back to look at what does a platform company do. Okay. A platform company creates value for customers by providing platform services. There are many platform companies out there. Amazon, Google, Facebook, Alibaba, and even Microsoft is transforming from an enterprise company to be more a platform, because they still ship products, but they are providing more and more platform services. And GoDaddy obviously is a platform company because we provide cloud-based services to entrepreneurs. So then you may ask, then what kind of services do platform companies provide in general? So at a very high level, really, there are three things. The first, platform companies provide a platform that facilitates connections between participants. For instance, Amazon provides the marketplace platform to allow buyers and sellers to connect, to make transactions. And the seller, it doesn't have to be a third party. It could be the platform itself, like AWS, like GoDaddy's web hosting service. Okay. And then with participants interacting with each other, then the platform also needs to provide services, infrastructure-like services to enable, to support those interactions. And those services could be data storage, could be compute power, or the APIs. For instance, Apple offers these APIs to allow developers to come to their platform to build mobile apps. And my reseller platform, we also provide the tools and APIs to allow third parties to integrate with us so that they can sell GoDaddy products with their own branding. So then on top of all this, the facilitating connections, providing services to support those interactions, a platform also needs to create an environment to attract participants, to attract people to come to your platform and to use your platform, to do transactions, to make interactions with others. So that means your platform needs to be easy to use, efficient, reliable, and fairly priced. And that is all about engineering, platform engineering's work to really make your platform at that level of quality. So we know that we want to provide platform services. But how do we know exactly what kind of services we want to provide to our customers? In order to provide the targeted services to give a proper experience for your customers, the first thing you need to do is to know your customers. So simply put, who are we serving? So for instance, at GoDaddy, we know that we have more than 18 million entrepreneurs all around the world. We also know that more than 50% of our net new customers are coming from outside of the US. That means our platform needs to be globalized. And we know that we have more than 1 million customers who spend more than $500 annually with us. And we consider them as high-value customers. And for them, we need to provide more customized and personalized experience to them. So knowing your customer segments will help you determine how you want to serve them. And then, knowing your customer segments, you can tailor the way that you engage with them. So at GoDaddy, the way that we engage with customers, there are many ways to do that through many different channels. The first, obviously, is brand. Because Anush mentioned that she knew that GoDaddy used to do this Super Bowl commercials. Yeah, that was years ago. but we have transformed. And we are transforming our brand. And the video that I just showed earlier, that it's our new way of telling our customers and telling those prospect customers that here is a new GoDaddy. We also have a lot of inbound channels that we use to engage customers from search, like a Google search, and our websites. We also use outbound channels to engage with customers, to reach out to them through emails and social channels. Obviously, our products are out there. We want customers or prospects to come to use our products using, for instance, free trial for website builder, just to give it a try to see if you like it or not. And if you like, great. If you don't like, let us know how we can improve. And we have fantastic customer care agents who will provide support and guidance to our customers. And there are many more ways, but those are how we engage our customers. Okay. So now we know our customers, and we know how we want to engage them. Then how do our platforms, support those, support our customers, and support the way we engage? So there are many things that platform engineering can do via our platform services. And briefly, I will cover 3 areas. One is delivering our brand promise. And the next is connecting our products. And then the third is to provide empathetic and knowledgeable care. When it comes to deliver brand promise, the first is, what's brand promise? A company's brand promise defines what the company stands for. It's a way that customers can expect from engaging with the brand. So just one simple example. We probably all know Geico. Geico has this famous commercial. So 15 minutes or less can save you 15 minutes or more on car insurance, right? That is their brand promise. And for Apple, think different. That is what Apple stands for. But then for GoDaddy, our brand promise is we give our customers all the help and tools to grow their business online. And that is GoDaddy's brand promise. So to deliver this brand promise, we need all platforms. I mean that all platforms throughout to all work together to give customers a good and consistent experience across all points of touch and all channels. Starting from the very beginning, in order for customers to know our brand through search, through websites, through mobile apps, all those interactions and connections, those are all powered by, for me, is the content search and merchandising platform. And when customers go through the purchase path via marketplace, that is powered by merchandising and e-commerce platform. And after customers complete the purchase, they may continue to interact with the brand, with the company through customer care or through email subscriptions. And those are powered by care platform and services. And along the journey, chances are the customers may also interact with you through your social and marketing platform. And the last but not least, think about data platform. We need the data insights provided by data platform to provide a targeted and personalized experience for our customers. We also need data insights to measure how effective our platforms are, whether or not we're meeting our customers' expectations. So as you can see that all those platforms will really need to come together to provide a good and consistent experience throughout. And then on top of those platforms, we may also want to offer various products to our customers. And then we need to leverage our platforms to connect the products together to form a package, a toolkit. It's a complete product offering as a one-stop shop so that your customers don't have to look elsewhere to shop around. And there are many things the platform can do to connect the products. First of all, we need those platforms to allow those products to be offered consistently across all channels and all markets. People don't like unpleasant surprises. Neither do our customers. Right? A consistent experience is key. And because every company tend to, say, provide multiple products. And what we want to use our platform to do is to help connect those products together to form a rich set of products, as opposed to offering those isolated and siloed products. And better yet, if we can connect our products with the social social ecosystems for our partners, for our customers, it will make their life easier. And then there's another thing that our platform services and tools can do is that we can open our platform and tools to integrate leading product providers, like third-party product providers. And then we can add their products to our catalog to augment our product offering. Because the chances are the products that we offer are limited, but our customers' needs can grow. And forming this kind of a third-party partnership will really help increase this customer's stickiness, because they don't have to shop around. They know that when they come to one place, like a GoDaddy, they have everything they need to go online. And that is what platform can really do to enable. And as you can see that all of this, we are using platform as the foundation for product. Then next, after a customer purchases a product from you, or use your service, what if they have questions and need support? That's when this empathetic and knowledgeable care comes to play. Customer care really is to wrap the experience with consultative support and guidance. In order for us to provide good customer care experience, we need our platforms to first provide customer data insights to the care agents at their fingertips so that they can provide effective support and guidance to the customers. For instance, making the best recommendations or resolving customer issues quickly. We also need the platform to enable self-help experience, like using chatbot, so that we can reduce the customer support load and allow the care agents to focus on providing more targeted services to customers and resolving more complex customer issues. And obviously, we want a platform to be open, to continue to learn, to evolve, to apply new technologies, to provide more advanced support, like using machine learning, natural language processing, voice, and AI. And then think about this. Platform supports brand, product, and care, but that is not all. The platform's success, it will manifest in many more ways. On the customer side, platform can really enable an overall experience that is personalized and customized for them. And platform can also help external partners to come to us to form a partnership. And platform can also provide the data insights to help internal product teams to build and test and experiment their products. And also, marketing team could rely on platform to shorten the time to market. And don't forget about our internal developers. The developers, by using common platforms, they can focus on innovation and more customer-oriented work without worrying about the platform they have to build. So you can see that platform is really the foundation of our success. And then a good platform will propel us forward. With all of those, we know that platform is critical, is crucial to our success. But a good platform is not easy to achieve. It takes tremendous amount of work from a platform engineering team to build, to develop. And it also requires a continued work for platform excellence. So a good platform needs to be powerful, yet flexible, with velocity, simplicity, quality, consistency, and customizability. And a platform needs to be highly available, performant, and secure. That is really a given. It's an unspoken expectation. And then if you are going global, you need your platform to be internationalized and localized so that your platform can serve your customers all around the world. And also the platform, ideally you want your platform to be open and extensible, being part of the open ecosystem so that you can integrate with other services and be compatible. And needless to say that we need our platforms to continue to grow, to evolve with the emerging technologies, like blockchain, like AI, like anything, who knows what's gonna come up, right? And we need our platform to continue to grow, to continue to evolve. Yeah. And really, it's on the platform engineering team to really build this world-class platform to enable a good customer experience and to enable our success. So that's all.